and welcome back. I know it has been a while since my last video, but yeah, there's a thing called winter in Germany, so yeah, and I guess these kind of bikes don't like so much the cold weather. Well, and I guess also me. So I've been riding the bike lately. Yes, no videos whatsoever, but she's been doing her job and perfectly. It's already becoming a year that I bought it, so I think next month or so it will have the 1 year service. Not because it needs, because it still has, yeah, more than enough kilometers to before the need for the oil change. But I guess, yeah, you need to do the service every year. So I think I thought maybe the idea would be to give a feedback regarding the first year of ownership of the bike. Well, I have not so much to say. The bike has behaved perfectly, which may be a surprise for the people with the Japanese motorbikes, that an Italian bike can endure a year without having any problem whatsoever. But yeah, I guess the Germans are doing some quality checks also on the brand. So basically everything has been fine. The bike only has 4,000 kilometers, which is nothing, unfortunately. Before I would do this, maybe in these 4,000 kilometers would be, I don't know, in 2 months. Nowadays it's different times, different motorbikes. But okay, let me just, no, I was saying just to pass these cars, but no way, a bit dangerous. I plan to do some updates. I will change some parts on the bikes and some configurations, because one thing that I can mention is, and I think this affects all bikes, not the Ducati itself, but all the new bikes, is this EU regulations with about pollution and noise and blah blah blah, which creates a lot of things, unwanted things on the bike. Heat, a little bit loss of power, and also the way the engine works, basically, because it's always trying to cut the fuel as much as it's possible, and and it's a bit not so smooth as it could be, because if you put the bike on a dyno, you will see that the oxygen levels or and the fuel levels, the fuel especially, are very low, and this could be addressed. And also, especially on the Ducati, because they deactivate the cylinders, and they close the exhaust flaps for noise regulations, and all of this, I think, affects, if you are picky as I am, to be honest, it affects a little bit the motorbike. I don't like to hear the cylinders deactivating. I understand the reasons behind it, but yeah, come on. I don't think it's really needed. And also because I know for a fact that the torque figures can improve greatly if we play a little bit with the air-fuel ratio. So this will happen as soon as possible, and hopefully I will be able to give you some numbers of the before and after these changes. I plan to keep the exhaust flaps or closing when the bike is stopped, so for noise regulations and noise measurements when the police stop us. And I think also because of, I guess it's it's illegal to change that. But I think we can play a little bit with the air-fuel ratio to make the engine more smooth as it is now. I was planning also a track day this year. I don't know if it will happen or not. It came to my knowledge from a nice friend that there are some nice circuits in France which doesn't cost an arm and a leg to join, and especially besides the money, special because they are very, very calm, so they are unknown circuits, I would say. So there are no big races there, but they are still racing tracks, and which are more than good to use the bike as it was intended. So hopefully we will have some news about this also this year. Besides that, the bike still runs great. I don't know what to say. The suspensions, wow. I'm still, well, I'm lost now. I'm talking and I'm going on the wrong direction. Let me turn around. I was saying that especially the suspensions and the electronic management of it, it makes a huge difference when you want to, because usually I ride the bike in sport mode, also on the suspensions all sport, which can be a bit harsh after some time, and it's when you change it to road or something like that, the bike itself, it changes completely. It's totally different bike. But again, having a computer on wheels, it's a good and a bad thing, because every time you change something, you need some time to realize if it's what is doing it. Okay, the suspensions, when you change it to, sorry, sorry, I was saying about every time you change something, you need time to adapt and to feel what is going on. Although the suspension is a very clear difference, definitely, but you need to test the behavior when cornering and so on. I still prefer the in sport mode. It's they are stiff, so you need to be a bit cautious, especially on some roads when the roads are not so perfect. But I don't know if this is the way. I think it is. Oh man. Yes, we are on the right way. But I'm used to the Ninja, and the Ninja is very stiff, and I like it also on this one like this. So I will try to do some more videos, and maybe today still on this one some cool roads, not boring roads like this, although they look beautiful, but yeah, there is nothing to show. Ciao guys.